This is a voltage sensor for FlySky radios. This is FlySky FSCTV01 voltage collector. Actually, what this does, if you have any drone or RC plane and you want to show your RC plane or drone's battery voltage lifetime in your transmitter display, then you can use this kind of sensor. Uh, as you can see in FlySky receivers, there are two ports under IBUS, sensor and servo. The servo lead of the voltage sensor connects with the sensor port here, and here in the display you can see the live battery voltage of your plane or drone. Uh, at this moment I am powering this receiver using only a ESC. This ESC comes with onboard BEC, and the internal V1 voltage value, which one is currently 5.04 volt, it's showing in the transmitter without any programming or external module. This is not that much important or valuable because it's only showing the voltage supplied by the BEC, but we actually need the original battery voltage because this battery runs our plane or RC drone. That's if we can display this battery voltage in the transmitter, then it will be more helpful. That's why I had made this DIY IBUS voltage sensor for FlySky radios. Actually, it's made using Arduino Pro Mini voltage divider and other stuffs. It's not only a voltage sensor but also a 5 volt BEC also. It means it can also supply 5 volt to the FlySky receiver and also send the original battery voltage data using IBUS protocol to the receiver. Then this receiver will send the data to the transmitter to display here. So now it's showing only internal voltage 5.04 volt and the transmitter battery voltage 4.68 volt and percentage of error. Now let's check it how it works. I had connected the voltage sensor's lead to the IBUS sensor port. No external or additional programming in this radio. I'm just connecting the battery output with the voltage sensor here. Successfully it is powering up, and it's also powering up the FlySky receiver. It means it is a 5 volt BEC also because this is a 12 volt battery and it needs only 5 volt. And in the display you can see internal voltage V1 4.95 voltage, which is the voltage it provides to the servo actually as a BEC. And here is a another voltage external V2 11.8589 volt. This is the actual voltage of the battery. Now let me check the battery voltage using a reliable multimeter. Remember, it is 11.8389 around this. So as you can see here, my multimeter is connected with the output of the battery, and the multimeter's reading is currently 11.86 volt. It means this battery is now 11.86 volt. And now let's check the transmitter, what's showing here. Here is 11.85 volt, 8985. It's fluctuating a bit. You can see 11.87 volt, which is 0.01 volt difference than the multimeter what's showing. And I think this is too much accurate as a voltage sensor. Here is the IBUS voltage sensor I had made, and this is the lead that is connected with the FlySky receiver. If we check, the FlySky receiver is currently getting 4.9493 volt. This is the voltage supplied by this BEC. It's BEC because it is a voltage sensor and a 5 volt BEC also. And 4.94 volt is too close to 5 volt. That means it's a pretty good BEC also. And this FlySky receiver is not connected with any other power source. It's only getting power from this BEC, and all other pins are connected with these servos. And if I move these sticks, as you can see, these servos are working simultaneously. All servos are working fine. It means it's a pretty good 5 volt BEC also. And that's it. As you can see, the voltage reading is also pretty good. And if you want more accurate voltage than this, then this voltage sensor is not for you. Please buy a 40k Fluke multimeter. That's for you. That's it. So I'm pretty happy with the performance of my DIY IBUS voltage sensor and BEC, all working pretty fine, and that's it. Hi guys, I am Akash Bag, call sign Victor Uniform number 3 Hotel Alpha X-ray. I am an electronics and communication engineering student and a licensed ham radio operator also. My hobbies are electronics, RC hobby, photography. So now I had decided to make videos on specifically electronics and RC hobby. I used to do work with various kinds of microcontrollers like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, ESP32. I also make RC planes and drones, and as a licensed ham radio operator, I am active in this community and also gather data from satellites, low Earth orbit satellites like American NOAA series and Russian Meteor series satellites. I also used to make antennas for ham radio and satellite purposes. So hope I can provide you some good information through my videos. I will make some tutorial videos regarding this what I know, and my videos may not be that much looking good or catchy, but I hope I can provide you some really good information regarding these hobbies. So hope for the best, and my English is not so much good, so please consider it. That's it. Bye.